So for a 2 by 2 square matrix, the determinant can be found by taking A times D and then subtracting B minus C. So for example, for problem 1, if we go ahead and do the same thing with this matrix, right? We do 2 times 4, and then we minus 3 times 1. Right, because we go from the main diagonal 2 times 4, and then when we go the other way, we do minus 3 times 1. Please use parentheses to avoid any sign errors. If we do this, we get 8 right here, 3 right here, and 8 minus 3 gives us the determinant of this matrix A as being 5. If we consider another matrix, matrix B, for example, the determinant of matrix B would be found the same way. Negative 1 times 1, I'm using parentheses, and then minus 3 times negative 1. Negative 1 and 1 gives us me a negative 1. 3 and negative 1 is a negative 3. We bring down the minus. Negative 1 minus negative 3 is negative 1 plus 3. So the determinant of B is going to be 2. In this class, we will also find the determinant for a 3 by 3 matrix. So what we're going to usually do for these is copy the first two columns. So recall, here's column 1, and here's column 2. And I went ahead and copied them after the matrix. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do this diagonal, and then this one, and then this one, in a similar manner as before. And then we're going to go ahead and go this way, and this way, and this way. So we're doing the same thing again, except for a 3 by 3, but 3 times. So if we do the first round, we get negative 1, positive 1, and 0. And then the next one is negative 1, negative 1, 0. And then the last one is 2, 2, 3. Note all the positives. So if I'm going to the right, they're going to be separated with pluses. Now when we go the other way, we're going to be doing subtractions. So going this direction, I have 2, 1, and 0. This one gives me negative 1, negative 1, 3. And this one gives me a 1, 2, 0. Parentheses are very important. Otherwise, we're going to make mistakes. And again, please note that when we are going to the right, they're going to be positives. When we're going to the left, and if it helps, put a plus in front. That way you're like, okay, I have 3 pluses, and then I have 3 minuses going to the left. We now simplify this. So this first term becomes 0. This second term, when I multiply all these terms, becomes 0. This third one becomes 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. This green term becomes 0. This green term becomes negative 1 times negative 1 times 3 is positive 3. And then 1 times 2 times 0 is 0. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 12 minus 0 minus 3 minus 0. This looks like the determinant is going to be 9.
Great job, everybody!
For your summary, how does finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix differ from finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix? Take some time to compare and contrast.